Welcome to Wildlife Acoustics. This video will describe the front panel functions of the Song Meter Mini 2. I'll unsnap the latch and open the lid. Other than the batteries, the AA and lithium-ion versions of the Song Meter Mini 2 are identical. The Song Meter Mini 2 provides 4 basic functions which can be initiated from the front panel. The function button is used to select and initiate each function. The LEDs display the status of each function. The first function is labeled Diags. This function creates 2 files and writes them to an inserted SD memory card. The Diagnostics file can be read by a wildlife acoustics technician and describes all the details of how the recorder is functioning. The configuration file is based on the current settings of the Song Meter Mini 2. Power the Song Meter Mini 2 on. Press the function button repeatedly until the Diags LED is lit. Release, then press and hold the function button for a few seconds. When you see all 4 LEDs flash green, that indicates the Diagnostics file and configuration file have been written to the SD card. The next function is Load. The Load function installs or loads a firmware update or configuration file from an SD memory card into the Song Meter Mini 2 recorder. Configuration files and the firmware update process are described in detail in separate videos. For now, I'll simply show you how to load a configuration file. Press the function button repeatedly until the Load LED is lit. Release, then press and hold the function button until you see LED activity. A configuration file will load very quickly. A firmware update may take up to a minute to load. When the load function is complete, all 4 LEDs flash green. This indicates the function was successful. If there is a problem loading the configuration file or firmware update, the LEDs will all quickly flash red. If this happens, there could be a problem with the SD card or the files on the card. Also, check that the batteries for the Song Meter Mini 2 are fully charged. The Defaults function restores all the internal settings of the Song Meter Mini 2, with the exception of the current date and time. For a complete list of the default settings, please check the user guide. To initiate a front panel default reset of the Song Meter Mini 2, press the function button until the defaults LED is lit. Release, then press and hold the function button until you see LED activity. When the Song Meter Mini 2 has been fully reset to default, all 4 LEDs flash quickly green. The last function is Format. This is used to reformat an SD memory card. This will completely erase any information on the SD card. The Format function is useful to make sure the card is completely empty and is seen properly by the Song Meter Mini 2. Press the function button until the Format LED is lit. Release, then press and hold the function button until you see activity. When the format is complete, look for a quick flash of all the LEDs. The SD memory card is now reformatted and ready for the next deployment. Thank you for watching.